face down for me. Okay. Grab a seat for me, and I will grab you in just a second. Little muscle spasm there.
Yeah.
Great. Cough for me. One more time. Deep breath in. Pull it out. And one more deep breath. And pull it out.
Want me to pull my hair back?
No, it's fine. I just want to move it so I don't get it stuck in the table. All right, go ahead and push back. Let me grab the pillow and I'll have you fold it over. I feel like this would be a super cute cover up too.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see your palms together. Okay, and you can relax. Alrighty, and how many weeks are we now? 22. Okay. Like a little group of women that you guys are all like right around like 2021, 22. Yeah.
Right?
Okay. Any round ligament pain?
Not as much anymore.
Okay, good. Yeah, that
Where their legs and back.
starts to settle down during the second trimester.